at about 7:30 a.m. The complainant, after taking stock, detected that accused person had sold 100 bags of cement amounting to 10,000 Ghana cedis without rendering account. The complainant in this case, my lady, reported the case to Divisional Police Headquarters at Winneba. An accused person was apprehended. My lady, after careful investigation, the accused was charged with offense before you.
I see the accused person is now represented. Any representation?
If the court will be pleased, Afenyo Markins for the accused. Lord, with me is my learned friend, Isaac Nzo. Lord, he is an able junior at the bar, and since this is a bail application, if my Lord will be pleased, I will yield to him for the application to be made. And my Lord, let me also apologize for appearing before you naked. There was some other administrative work in the firm I was doing, and I was called that there is this emergency that I have to rush to this honorable court. Having obliged me, Lord, I shall resume my seat and pray that you hear my respected colleague who shall make the application for me.
Well noted, counsel for accused person. Your sins have been forgiven. Can I have the explanation of the accused person?
My Lord, I before we proceed, my Lord, I think that earlier he was not represented at the police station. According to him, the CID told him that when he comes, he should plead guilty with explanation. That is the only way the court will forgive him of his sins. But I haven't listened to him. My Lord, I do not think his real intent is to plead guilty with explanation. His plea is not guilty, and that is what the conclusion is after having access to counsel. The police cajoled him earlier, as you know already, my Lord. They always want a shortcut to justice. So, my Lord, you may take his plea again, because that one was what the police prosecutor told him that I should say to the court for speedy trial, and you would have mercy, not knowing the consequences of saying that to the court. I thank you, my Lord.
On that note, the earlier plea of the accused person is expunged on the authority of Hokomba versus the Republic, Bafo versus the state, as inadmissible. And so we'll take the plea of the accused person again.
Not good.
Guilty to the offense preferred against him. Accused person will be granted the opportunity to pray for bail. Counsel for accused person.
My Lord, respectfully, the accused person has capable men and women who will be willing to stand in as surety. He has a fixed place of abode. He's new to the law. He's not known to the law. And respectfully, I pray he will appear before you to stand trial. Anytime the case is being called. I therefore pray for bail for the accused person. Humbly submitted, my Lord.
By court.
My Lord, with respect.
My lady,
My Lord, with respect. My Lord, with respect.
For the bill.
My Lord, with respect, I'm on my feet.
A moment. Yes, counsel for the accused person.
My Lord, this is not a matter that prosecution should attempt opposing bail. You cannot use bail or otherwise as a punishment. This posture of always praying to the court for remand, It's not the way to go. You know, all he's going to say is that you should remand the accused. To what benefit would it be if you remand the accused? Lord, I'm not saying deny him hearing, but that is exactly what he's going to do.
Yes, prosecution.
My lady, the accused person here is not his first time. He's known to the court. And also, he was a storekeeper to a certain gentleman by name Joseph Ankobra, also in Winnipeg here. So my appeal to the court is that the accused person should be remanded into prison custody, because when he is granted bail, you go and collect the money that he claimed he has credited some of the cement to his customers. This is my appeal to the court.
Well noted. Counsel for accused person.
You know, how does a grant of bail lead to the situation the prosecution is inviting this court to believe? He is not saying that the accused would interfere with his investigation. That would have been a compelling point. But you have all the facts. In any event, it's been days. What is stopping him from prosecuting the matter? He's come here, he's not ready. Where are your witnesses? There are no witnesses here. You don't file the witness statement. Then all you say is that he should be remanded for some other reason. Lord, please, this is an invitation that will lead you to nowhere. It's a temptation. My Lord should refuse this temptation and restore the liberties of the accused person. What they've not told you is that all these days they've kept him in custody. That sells nothing to shower, even to ease himself is a problem. They've kept him over there. It's difficult to even have access to counsel. And they thought he was coming here to plead guilty so that they will have a shortcut, as they usually cajole people to do. 3 days of no food, only water, Lord. And it was 3 days of no food and only water. And you say you should go back into custody when you are not ready to prosecute. You are not ready to prosecute. He should be ready to prosecute. Then we'll be here. We are ready. Bring your witnesses. But Lord, please refuse that invitation.
The Honorable Court takes note of the arguments of counsel for accused person and the prosecution and makes the following orders. Accused person is granted bail pursuant to Section 96 of the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act, Act 30, in the sum of 10,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties. One of the sureties is to be a traditional leader within the jurisdiction. Prosecution is ordered to comply with disclosure formalities. The suit is adjourned to 9th May 2025 for CMC.
Most grateful, my lady.
Lord, I don't know whether to thank you.
They said you should bring a traditional leader.
Any other thing. But Lord, this is your court. This is your court. It's your decision. We can't say your bill conditions are onerous, but we say may you live long. We will endeavor to comply.